We're here. It's still in Velez Street.
Yes, books.
Right now. I'm going to cut these half laps using a handsaw.
What's half laps?
It's still in Velez. We're here in Esquina Banawa, Cebu City, Guadalupe. Extremely low battery. This is Esquina Banawa. Caution, hot surface. No. It's still Esquina Banawa. This is Petron Gas Station and Little Red Barn.
Joshi.
No. Going to Sundance Residences. This is our Duterte Street, Ramon Duterte. This is Sundance Court Compound.
Yusuki, mami.
Ah.
Bakit mo siguro ng mga tao? Okay, bagay yun. Mura school.
No.
Social ba ta?
No. Ako Bisaya party list.
Maduol pa.
No.
Di lang siya.
No.
Ambot ka?
How to use a handsaw like a pro. No. We are hiring. Esquina Banawa. Right now, mama. Going to Forest Hills. First choice medical.
Yes.
In Sitaling. You're laughing inside the classroom. It's still Esquina Banawa. Going to Good Shepherd. This is V-Power. If ever there's a tomorrow, when we're not together, there's something you must remember.
What will I remember?
No. It's still Esquina Banawa.
What should I remember, Josh?
No. No. Felipe Bilocora.
You miss Felipe Bilocora na?
No.
See him na in July 15.
No.
Maybe your classmate
No.
Felipe.
No. You're braver than you believe, and stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. It's because of the pandemic, we can't go anywhere. Going to Casa Rosita, Paseo Arcenas.
Next time we go to San Carlos, overnight.
No.
Para more time, talk to your Lola Tili.
No.
Lola Tili. Papa Santi.
No. We will swim at Sacred Heart Center next time. No. It's still Ramon Duterte. It's still Esquina Banawa. No.
Lechon. Ini. Ay ba ito dan one day?
Like and subscribe. Thumbs up. And thanks for watching. No. Goodbye, mommy. Goodbye now.
Bitlop naman niya.
Goodbye na.
Bitlop Gisano.
Goodbye na, mommy. Goodbye na.
Doon mo Gisano. How far Gisano to the house of Lolo Atok? How far?
No. Goodbye, mommy. Goodbye na.
Thumbs up. Subscribe.